How to make a margarita. The margarita can be made a number of ways: frozen around the rocks, with or without salt, multiple different flavors or liqueurs. Today I'll be using organic products. A good tequila will make or break your margarita. I prefer a reposado, which is aged 2 to 11 months, but today we'll be using a blanco. I like to use fresh lime and orange juice in my margarita. Some people like to use Cointreau, Grand Marnier, orange liqueur, or sour mix. Today I'm going to use Luna Azul Blanco tequila, complemented by Tres Agave's organic agave. Before I start, I need to make sure I have a shaker set, a strainer, a knife to cut fruit, and a jigger to measure out portions. Before I make my drink, I like to get my glass ready. Take a lime and rub the outside of the glass and dip it into salt. Doing this prevents too much salt falling to the bottom of your drink to sip up. I also like doing half a rim because too much salt is not good for you. Set your glass to the side. Fill your shaker with ice and get ready to jigger out an ounce and a half of Blanco tequila, an ounce and a half orange juice, an ounce and a half of lime juice, and half an ounce of agave. Put your shaker together and shake vigorously. Fill your garnished glass with ice. Press out your drink through ice. It looks good if you leave that you should enjoy. Here's the recipe one more time. I hope this video helped you make a margarita or answered some questions. It's super easy and super yummy. Cheers and enjoy.